Good morning, FS2 A and B. This is Mrs. Iman, and today we're going to learn a little bit more about telling the time. We are going to learn how to tell the time when it's 1/4 past, 1/2 past, and 1/4 to. Let's see how. Let's have a look at this clock here. What time is it? Yes, exactly. We look at the small pointer, the red one, and see what it's pointing at. It's pointing at number 1. And this long one, which is the blue one, it's pointing at number 12. Then it's 1 o'clock. We all know that, right? Okay, now let's have a look at the clock now. What have you noticed? The blue pointer is not pointing at number 12 anymore. It's pointing at number 3. So the blue pointer has moved, and that is the pointer that represents minutes, while the red one represents the hours. It's still 1, but it's not 1 o'clock anymore because the blue pointer is not pointing at the number 12. It has moved to number 3. So, when the blue pointer is pointing at number 3, that means that it is 1/4 past. 1/4 past. So, it's 1/4 past 1. So when the blue pointer is pointing at the number 3, it is 1/4 past. Okay then, let's have a look at this clock. What time is it here? Let's look at the red pointer, the short one. It's not on number 1 and it's not on number 2. It's in the middle. And let's look at the long pointer, the blue one. Where has it gone now? It's gone to the number 6. So when it goes to number 6, it means that it's 1/2 past. The red one is just past the 1, so it is 1/2 past 1. 1/2 past 1. Okay then, let's have a look at this clock. What time is it? Okay, the blue pointer is pointing at the number 9. And the red pointer has passed number 1 and it's very, very close to number 2. That means that it is 1/4 to 2. With the pointer is pointing at number 9, the long blue pointer, that means it is 1/4 to. And when the red pointer is getting really close to the number 2, that means it's 1/4 to 2. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Now, what time is it here? Very good. You can all tell me the time now. It's 2 o'clock because the blue pointer is pointing at the number 12, so that means it's o'clock. When the blue pointer moves to the 3, then it's 1/4 past. When the blue pointer moves to the 6, then it's 1/2 past. And when it moves to the 9, it is 1/4 to. Let's try this again. Okay, let's have a look at the time now. I can hear you starting to pick it up. Exactly. The blue pointer is on number 3. That means it's 1/4 past. Let's have a look at the red pointer. It's just a little bit past 2. Then it's 1/4 past 2. Very good. Let's have a look at the time now. Okay, good job. The blue pointer is on number 6. Then what does that mean? Very good. 1/2 past. And where is the red pointer? It's past number 2, but it hasn't got to number 3 yet. Then what's the time? It's 1/2 past 2. Okay, let's check this one out. I can hear you. Very good. The blue pointer is pointing at the number 9, and that means it is 1/4 to. Very good. And the red pointer is getting to the number 3. It's so close. So it's 1/4 to 3. Very good, because it's nearly at the number 3, so it's 1/4 to 3. Very good. What time is it now? All of you can tell me now. Very good. It's 3 o'clock. The red pointer is pointing to the number 3. The blue long pointer is pointing to the number 12. That means it's 3 o'clock. Very good. I'm so proud of you all. Okay then, here's your homework. You will find this sheet, email to mommy and daddy. They will print it out. What I want you to do is to make your own clock. You will find your clock with the numbers on, starting from number 1 till number 12. At the bottom of the page, there are 2 pointers. A long one for the minutes, I want you to color it blue, and a short one for the hours, and I want you to color it red. You're going to put it with a pin in the middle of your clock, and I want you to move the pointers round and tell the time, and that will be your own clock. Thank you for listening. See you soon.